Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. This is the video for standard 6 and I am your computer teacher Pankaj Kumar present before you all to discuss on chapter number 1, that is types of computer. And today we will discuss about the following topics. First is introduction to computer. Second one is classification of computer language. Third one is classification of computers on the basis of operation, means on the basis of principle of working. So let us continue with the introduction to computer. A computer is an electronic device or machine that accepts raw data as input, processes the data, and produces the result as output. Means a computer do the following three operations. First, it accepts the data. Second, it processes the data. And third, it produces the output. Okay. And it is also capable of taking logical decisions and stores a large amount of data for future use. Logical decision means computer will decide whether the condition is true or false. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, the operation will be performed. And if it finds the condition to be false, the statement will not run. Okay. Now, next, we have also classified computer languages into two types. Programming language are basically classified into two main categories. That is low level language and second one is high level language. So we will discuss about programming languages in the next class. Okay. Now coming to the classification of computers. We can classify the computers by the following three categories. By the type, means on the basis of principle of working, we can classify the computers into analog, digital, and hybrid. Second, we can classify the computers on the basis of their size and its configuration. According to the size and configuration, it is microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputer. Again, we can classify the computers by the purpose, and it is of the following two types: general purpose computer and special purpose computers. So in this class, we will discuss about its type on the basis of principle of working, that is analog, digital, and hybrid. So coming to the next page, types of computer on the basis of work. That is, it can be divided into three types: analog, digital, and hybrid. And after that, we will discuss about computer language, generations of computer language. So first one is analog computers. It is used to process analog data, means continuous data. An analog computer operates by measuring rather than counting. Okay. And an analog computer measures continuous electrical or physical magnitude like voltage, pressure, water flow, etc. Suppose you have used an analog computer in a speedometer of our vehicle. Suppose that the speedometer of the vehicle, what is that? That is a type of analog computer because it is working on continuous data. Our bike is running continuously and it shows its speed continuously. So it records the continuous data and shows the continuous speed. What is the speed of the bike? Now, an analog computer has the ability to accept inputs which vary with time to time and intensity directly applied to them to various devices which perform desired operation. It produces output in the form of graph. These computers are mostly used in process control plants. So wherever the continuous data is going on, there it uses analog computer. The use of analog computer is there. Now coming to digital computers, a digital computer operates directly on decimal digits that represent either discrete data or symbols. Means the computer which we are using at the home, okay, the desktop computer, those are the examples of digital computers, because it converts the data into digital form, and then all the operations are done on these digits extremely at fast rates. These computers are which computers takes the data in the form of decimal digits or in the form of numbers and perform all the calculations. Actually, the calculation of digits and arithmetical calculations can be done on these digital computers. Digital computers basically knows how to count the digits. Now, computers used for business, scientific applications are digital computers, and the computers which you use at your home, laptop, computer, or tablet, these are the example of digital computers. Now, coming to the third type, which is known as hybrid computers. Hybrid computers utilize the best quantities for both analog and digital computers. Means you can say it is a mixture of hybrid, it is a mixture of analog as well as digital computers. They are suited for situation where digital processing of data collected in analog form is desirable. For example, you must have seen intensive care unit. Analog devices may measure a patient's heart function and temperature, etc. You may have seen some ultrasound machine in hospitals. That is an example of hybrid computers. Other areas are guided missiles system, new aircraft design, etc. These also uses hybrid computers, means it is a mixture of analog and digital computers. Once again, I will tell you, analog works on continuous data and it generally measures continuous electric or physical magnitude like voltage, pressure, water flow, etc. But the digital computers work on numbers. Okay. And data is not in continuous form in digital computers. So I hope you all have understood these topics. Now in the next class, we will discuss about the types of computer on the basis of size, shape, and configuration. And it is of the following four types. Types of computer based on the size and configuration. It is of the following four types: microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Okay, thank you students. Thanks for watching this video.